Sabelo kicked Xoli out of his house after Star realized that the reason Unosi Ingania was in hospital is because of the sweets that Xoli gave to Unosi. And she even tried to explain, but they did not give her a chance, saying that she was trying to kill Unosi and anendo yakhe, Utsunami. Kanti uXoli naye knows nothing about the poison that was in the sweets. And Ustad didn't want Unosi to get the sweets, but she was like, it's just one man. The next thing Unosi is down, uwe phansi, and Ustad is wondering ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kanti the sweets were now, kanti umntwana useyagula because of the sweets that she ate. Ama-chocolates avela kuTsunami that were meant for uXoli to eat poison Xoli and ambulali. Beze-ke bamisa esibhedlela umntwana. Now uStar is accusing uXoli ukuthi they were trying to kill umntanakhe yena noTsunami because uXoli is sleeping with Tsunami. Because uXoli is coming with gifts from Tsunami, so the only explanation would be that she is sleeping with Tsunami. She tried to explain that she's not sleeping with Tsunami, but they couldn't believe her. And also X went to Tsunami because X went to Tsunami and told him ukuthi uxoshiwe because of Xoli. Usabelo umxoshile and uXoli is the devil, and also uXoli is the one sleeping with Usabelo. And she's not loyal to Utsunami. Utsunami was furious because all this time she thought Uxoli was loyal to him because Uxoli once stole ingoma kaSabelo and gave it to him. So he had thought that Uxoli uloyal again. And Uxoli is actually sleeping no Sabelo. Now Utsunami decided to buy my chocolates, injected the chocolates so that he can kill Uxoli. Gave them to her. Uxoli wacabanga ukuthi uthole gift kanti yey uyabulawa. But then the sad part is that the sweets ended up being eaten by ingane kaStar. And the same Xoli that Ustar found in bed with Usabelo while ingane was in hospital. The baby didn't ngakhona. Imagine your child is in hospital fighting for her life. Now your friend is busy sleeping with your man. And now Usabelo, no wonder Usabelo ends up with STIs the whole time because he goes around sleeping with whoever. And it's even worse now that they're doing this in the same house that they live together. Now Usabelo is trying to apologize to Ustar, but Ustar is not having it. And then Uthembi comes to confront Usabelo, saying, how could you do this to Xoli? You guys you are assuming that she would kill Unosi. Kanti naye, what if she was killed because of the things that you're making her do? You are the one that you are the one that's making her spy on Tsunami. Usabelo is actually the one that made Xoli start spying on Tsunami, and Tsunami found out. That's why we're from Bulal. So Tem is like, you are the reason why Xoli was almost killed. And I don't forget ukuthi ngimi othathe uXoli engcuthu ngamletha la eThekwini. What am I going to say to the family? Awulungisele nto man, fix this thing. And then uThembi was furious kuShukela, saying ukuthi manje iVibes does not have power because of these illegal connections that you were doing with Nozoro. Athi yena besekhohliwe uShukela nga these legal connections, but now uThembi stuck with a 50,000 rands municipal bill. Uyaphi imali engaka? uTsunami says he's gonna raise it. Nini uThembi azasho ukuthi I'll have to wait until uJesu for you to pay that money. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share. If you're new here, please subscribe for more updates. Bye.